Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling the essential components and wiring them correctly. Connect the GPS TX to the microcontroller RX and GPS RX to TX. Power the GPS with the correct voltage. Once done, mount the antenna where it has sky view and secure power to the microcontroller. Make sure to install the Arduino or Platform I/O environment on your computer and add the board's support package for your controller. This lets you flash code and read serial output immediately. Now you flash firmware that reads serial NME sentences and parses them into usable fixes. Use TinyGPS++ or a similar library to convert GPGGA/GPRMC lines into latitude, longitude, altitude, and timestamp. This avoids manual string splitting and edge case errors. Once the parser yields valid fixes, add simple filtering like a moving average or minimum satellites to stabilize position. Make sure to set the GPS baud. Finish by routing parsed coordinates to your chosen output, an OLED display for quick readout, an SD card for logging, or Wi-Fi/Bluetooth to stream to a phone. Once done, implement simple user feedback, LED for fixed status and retry logic for lost fixes. Make sure to calibrate any offsets if you combine sensors. If things go wrong, check the baud rate, TX/RX wiring, and move the antenna to an unobstructed location. These steps resolve most common failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.